Welcome to Mind Blueprint, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. We created this space to help you decode the silent architecture of your beautiful, complicated brain. And having you here as part of our community means the world to us. If our deep dives into human behavior help you understand your patterns and feel deeply seen, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow so we can keep bringing you accessible psychology and neuroscience. We hope you enjoy the video.
You ever get that feeling? That sudden, almost primal urge to buy another houseplant? Or maybe you just find yourself staring out a window at a park and this sense of calm just washes over you. Well, it turns out that is absolutely not a coincidence. Today, we're going to dive into our deep, instinctual connection to the color green.
So, what's the deal with all the houseplants? Is this obsession with filling our homes with fiddly figs and monsteras just the latest interior design trend? Are we all just collectively redecorating? Well, it turns out the science says there's something way, way deeper going on here.
That's right. You know that feeling, that pull towards green? It's not random at all. It's a biological signal. It's your brain, totally fried from modern life, actively searching for a way to reset and recharge. This isn't just about making things look pretty. This is about survival.
Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the pure biology of how our eyes and our brains actually work together. So why green? Well, it all starts with just how incredibly easy it is for us to perceive it. Okay, so this right here, this is the key to the whole thing. I mean, really think about that for a second. Of all the colors in the entire spectrum, green asks the least from our bodies. It's physically less work on the muscles in our eyes than looking at red or blue or yellow. And this is where it gets super interesting. Look at this breakdown. So on one hand, you've got green. It's basically effortless for your eyes, super restful. And on the other hand, you have, well, every other color. They make your eyes work harder. They demand more focus, causing more physical strain. You could almost say green is like the visual version of sinking into your favorite armchair. Okay, so it's easy on the eyes. Big deal, right? Well, how does that physical ease turn into this massive psychological effect? Let's unpack how a simple color basically becomes a reset button for our minds.
Right. So it all kicks off with that lack of physical effort we were just talking about. When your eyes don't have to work hard to figure out what they're looking at, a really cool chain reaction starts to happen.
That chill vibe, that feeling of ease, it zips right from your optic nerve directly to your nervous system. Your brain gets this message and it interprets that lack of strain as a signal to, well, to just relax, to power down all those high alert systems. It's a message of calm. And here's the payoff. Once your brain gets that all-clear signal, it can finally stop spending all its energy on high-stress processing and actually start to recover. It's literally letting you recharge those mental batteries that get so drained by screens and deadlines and all the decisions we have to make. So, here's the thing to remember. This cognitive reset isn't just some vague feeling. Nope, it's a real, measurable, biological process happening inside your brain. It's your brain's built-in way to heal from mental fatigue and get its focus back, all kicked off by something as simple as looking at a field, a forest, or, yeah, even just that potted plant on your desk. Okay, so this all makes a ton of sense for us today, right? We're all glued to our screens. But where did this crazy deep connection even start? To get that, we have to rewind way, way back to our evolutionary roots.
I mean, we have to go way back. Think about our earliest ancestors. For them, just surviving day to day meant they had to be experts at reading their environment. And in their world, the color green was the ultimate signal.
This really breaks down that ancient hardwired process. Just imagine you're one of our ancestors, okay? You're scanning the horizon, on the lookout for danger, but you're also desperately looking for resources. And then you see it, a big patch of vibrant green. Your brain doesn't just register a color, it sees a promise. It sees water, food, shelter. And in that one instant, boom, the all-clear signal goes out. You can finally relax. You are safe. And that, right there, that ancient software is still running in our brains today. It's wired right into our DNA. So when you look at a lush park and feel that wave of calm, you're actually feeling the echo of millions of years of your ancestors breathing a collective sigh of relief because they found a place where they could finally let their guard down. Okay, so let's bring it all back to the here and now. We've got the science, we've got the evolutionary history, but what does this all actually mean for you in your life today? How can you use this?
So listen,
The next time you feel that pull to go for a walk in the woods, or you find yourself buying yet another plant, don't just brush it off. Recognize what's really happening. This isn't a frivolous want, it's a highly sophisticated survival tactic built right into you. It's a genuine biological craving for balance, and it's a powerful, simple form of self-care that helps heal a nervous system that is constantly being slammed by the modern world.
And all this really leaves us with one final thought to consider. In this world we've built, this world of concrete jungles and glowing screens, our brains are practically screaming for that ancient signal of safety and rest more than ever. So the real question is, how are you going to answer that call?
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button and join our community of bridge builders. Let's keep exploring the weird and wonderful ways our psychology shapes who we are today. See you in the next one.